In this guide, we will explore the 2023 Audi Q5 Fuse Box diagram and its location. Have you ever wondered where the fuse box is located in your Audi Q5? How can you identify and replace a blown fuse efficiently? Driver's side footwell left-hand drive vehicles. The driver's side footwell in left-hand drive vehicles offers ample space for foot placement and comfort. It houses essential controls like the brake, accelerator, and clutch pedals. Additionally, it provides access to vital components such as the fuse box and wiring. Front passenger side footwell right-hand drive vehicles. The front passenger side footwell in right-hand drive vehicles offers ample space for the passenger's feet and comfort. It houses controls like the glove compartment and may include components like the fuse box. This area is designed for easy accessibility and safety. driver's side cockpit. The driver's side cockpit features essential controls like the steering wheel, dashboard, and instrument cluster. It is designed for optimal ergonomics, providing easy access to driving functions such as speed, navigation, and safety features. Luggage compartment fuse panel. The luggage compartment fuse panel houses fuses that control electrical components located in the rear of the vehicle. It is designed for easy access, with a protective cover to prevent damage. This panel ensures the proper functioning of rear lights, power outlets, and other essential systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.